Good morning, class. Okay, this video is just to introduce about the project, okay, the requirement of the project and how to do the project and what type of project that you're supposed to do. So let me just clarify on the project question. Point of sale system. Okay, it's actually going to be a very simple console output system. Okay, it's not about if you would like to have a graphical user interface, it's up to you, but it's not a must. Okay, however, both displays methods are acceptable. Okay, what type of points of sale system? Okay, basically, point of sale system is something that a place where something is sold to the public or the place where someone pays for something. Okay, you can buy something, uh, you can purchase something like e-commerce website like Shopee and so on and so forth. Okay. It is important to note that all students' team ideas must be different and unique from other students' team. Uh, you can innovate your POS system for various industries. These are some example, but not limited to. So you can have a uh, hospitality, retail, healthcare, manufacturing, transport, banking, e-commerce education. Students are encouraged to discuss and confirm your ideas to avoid any overlapping of ideas. Okay, as a guideline, okay, this is the sample guideline that I give you, but it not necessary that you, I mean, it is not to say that you're compulsory need to follow this order. Okay, this is just a guidance for you guys. Okay. For example, when you take a retail management application system, okay, you plan to create a system for the retail. Retail, I hope you know what is retail. Retail can be many form of retails. The easiest one, maybe I can say about a simple kedai runcit. Okay, so you're going to create a simple system for them for the daily life operations. Okay, so when it's come to they can identify or search for the items, add new items into their inventories, and then database, edit an item, delete an items. Okay, uh, whenever people make a payment, we try to total up the amount and then print screen about. I mean, can show a simple script on the receipt, all these things. Okay, so this is what actually I want you to, I mean, I wanted you guys to do as a project. Okay, this is just an example. Okay, let me show you the output can be, but this one is a, okay, let me just tell you, this is, it's not Python project, it's a Java project. Okay, but anyhow, your output can be similar to this. Okay, can be similar. So when you run your console output, your console, you know, right? What is your console? So in your Python console, you can see this output. Okay, so when you run this, you will get something like this. So you have a login option, register new account. If you don't want to have this page, then you can exit. So you can select your choice. So after you select, you can, for example, log in. Okay, when you try to log in, you have a password and username and then log in. After that, if you want to register, then you can go for register new account. And okay, this is the account example how to register. Next, for admin use. Okay, whenever it's come to a system, usually we will have two types of two part. One is admin, the other one is customer use. Okay, customer use is the based on the end user. Your product going to be used by the end users. So admin side only admin people, the person who develop and who going to maintain your system, going to take care about the admin part. Somehow you need to know, I mean, you have to develop, but remember, this is going to be a very simple system and you don't have to connect to any database. Okay, you don't have to connect to any database. Just create a very simple. Okay, whatever output showing here, you can see. Okay, uh, okay. All these outputs are actually console-based output. Okay, console means if you run your coding here, and then you will get the output here. Okay, this will be your output. So your output is look like this. So this is what I'm expecting you guys to try to do. Okay, so for admin side, they can have a inventory management, membership management, report. Okay, this one is uh, uh what topic is this? Okay, this one is a stationary system. Okay, this one is a stationary shop. They're going to have a stationary purchase, I mean point of sale system. Okay, for the register on admin side, they want to enter first choice. Your first choice is what? What is your first choice? Okay, add new product. Okay, they can have many things. When it's come to inventory, they want to add product, view product, remove, adjust, and all these things. And then when it's come to the second part, okay, this is about inventory. You can manage your membership site, okay, as an admin. Okay, you can give membership for the customers who register. Either they can be a free member or paid members. Okay, you can do this. These are just an ideas that I can give you guys. It's not that you need to follow this, but these are some guidelines that I can give you. Okay, and then that is about okay, this is the final report. For example, when you want to calculate monthly sales, for example, for January 2024. So you can print out all the records. So it's like a report management. So as a report, so you can print this. This is an example. Okay, for the users, okay, for user use, we create view product, search product, go to cart, add cart because we want to add multiple products. Okay, and then they can have menus for the selection. From the selection, they can select desk and all this. After that, blue. I mean, what are the products they want to select? Okay, and then what I want to show you here, for example, is the okay cart page. So item is added, add product. So number of quantity is five product. I mean five blue pen. So one blue pen is 2 ringgit. Five will be 10 ringgit. Item number two, item number three, and then okay, you can see this. So whether you want to continue or not, you want to, are you sure remove? Yes. And then if you want to make payment, I'm not sure whether this project or payment method or not, but you can do a fake payment method. Okay. The one you have to learn. Maybe a simple deduction or simple like, you can create like a QR code uh, that, can be used by Touch and Go, for example. Okay. Okay, this is your receipt look like. Can you see? This is your receipt look like. Okay, payment method. Okay, next is your payment method. See here, payment method. Whether you want to make a payment cash, credit card, or quit. Okay, quit means obviously it will stop. But here they didn't do any payment method, I guess. But if you want, I mean, at least I want you to try like, payment method means, for example, cash means we don't have any problem. Card payment or QR code, like, touch and go payment, you can try. You can try, just give like a simple QR code that people scan and key in the values in their mobile phone and then make a payment, something like that. Okay, so this is what actually I want you to do as a system. And it's going to be very, very simple system. There's no need to, utilize any graphical user interface because I know that when you want to use GUI, so it will take a bit longer time. So if you're just using console output base, just run your source code, okay, from the Python, and then you will get the, the output part. That's all. Thank you, class.